So hi guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. So for those people who don't know me, I am Jenny. I share DIY videos. So today is 3rd of December. A very happy birthday to you, Teho. Happy V-Day. Guys, as you know that today is V-Day, so I thought of sharing some BT21 Tata DIYs, and then I thought of sharing some DIY accessories. So I'm very excited to make this DIYs. So watch the video till end. So for the first DIY, all you need is a red fabric, a red hairband, some cottons, a needle and thread, a stencil of Tata's head and all. So now in the fabric, draw out Tata's face with the help of a stencil and then stitch its edges accordingly. So today is V-Day, as we all know, and this video is meant for that purpose. So I would be glad if you give loads of blessings and wishes in the comment section. So when you are done with the stitching, you just flip it inside out and then start filling it with cotton. It's going to be quite cool. Yeah, of course, because it's Tata, it's BTS, it's BT21. I'm very excited about the result, how it would be, and how it looked on my head. By the way, can you guess which song is being played in the background? If yes, then comment below which song's music is this. Make sure you fill it with lots of cotton because it needs to look fluffy and a cute like thing, Yeah, and after when you're done with this, just stitch the end that was open and then it's done. So this is almost done, and just repeat the same process for the next head. So once you are done with both of them, take a hard glue gun. If you don't have, you can use hand Daintrite like me, and then paste it. And I know it's difficult to paste, so hold it for some times and then start stitching it for securing it more. So just see how I'm stitching, but I can't explain how I am doing it. Just see it and try to understand. So now we are done with the stitching of both the sides. Now draw the mouth of Tata in a yellow chart paper or paper and give it the texture, and with the help of a permanent marker draw its eyes and eyebrows, and then all is done. Oh god, it's so cute. So in the next DIY, we are going to make Tata hair clips. For that, you need to draw out Tata's face and color it using red and the respective colors, and then take a sellotape and paste it in this manner and then cut it out. This is just because we need to make it waterproof and it will last long. And then now take a hair clip, a flat one, and then glue it using a hot glue gun or super glue, and then you just paste it and hold it for some time so that it gets settled up. And do the same with the next one also. And then you are done with this. It's ready to use. It's quite cute as well. It will look good when you leave your hair open and then just pin it up on your side, on this one side actually. So in this DIY we're going to make a rubber band, a scrunchy type of thing. Yeah, you can call it as a scrunchy as well, or a rubber band. Just make the head of the Tata as we made it similarly in the first headband, and then just stitch it in your rubber band or your band, and then all done. So this was our today's video, DIY Tata hair supplies or hair accessories. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, and I want the comment section full with wishes for me. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more such DIY videos. Once again, a very happy birthday to you, Te. So enjoy. Bye. Thanks for watching.